Debugging in software refers to writing code, translating code, finding and removing errors, and executing programs. Debugging in software refers to finding and removing errors. So option C is the right answer. Next question number 9. Which of the following is not an input device? ಕೆಳಗಿನವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಮೌಸ್, ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಮಾನಿಟರ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್. ಮೌಸ್ is a input device, keyboard is a input device, scanner is a input device, but option C, monitor is not a input device. Next question, hypothesis in research is, so this is very important examination point of view. Final conclusion, tentative assumption, data analysis, research design. So hypothesis in research is a tentative assumption. So option B is the right answer. Next question number 11. Which forest policy introduced joint forest management? Which forest policy introduced joint forest management? 1952, 1978, 1988, 2006. So the right answer 1988. Next question, LAN stands for large area network, logical area network, local area network, long area network. LAN stands for local area network. Option C is the right. Next question number 13. In Bloom's taxonomy, evaluation belongs to which domain? Cognitive, affective, psychomotor, and behavioral. The right answer option A, cognitive is the right. Next question number 14th. Which of the following is not a characteristics of good research? ಕೆಳಗಿನವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗುಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್, ಎಂಪೆರಿಕಲ್, ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್. Question number 15th. So this is very important examination point of view. The term digital divide refers to difference in digital devices, gap between rich and poor. Option C, gap between those who have access to ICT and those who do not. Option D, difference between hardware and software. So the right answer option C, gap between those who have access to ICT and those who do not. So option C is the right answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.